Good evening, everybody. I'm Munish Johar. On behalf of the Global Shapers Chandigarh chapter, I extend a warm welcome to all of you for attending this talk today. This talk, I hope, will be the first in a series of events that the Global Shapers Chandigarh Hub organizes with ISB and will actually lead to a long-term collaboration. On behalf of the Shapers, I would also like to thank Mr. Anshu Gupta for accepting our invitation. A special thanks to Mr. Sukhmeet Singh from ISB for making this happen. I will just take a few minutes of your time to tell you what exactly is the Global Shapers community. What is it that we do? And this will be followed up by a short video. And then finally, the Shapers from the Chandigarh Hub would be briefly describing the projects we are currently working on. So, what exactly is the Global Shapers? As was mentioned before, the Global Shapers community is a network of hubs founded and led by young people who are exceptional in their potential, their achievements, and their drive to make a contribution to their communities. Between the age of 20 and 30 years, they represent all walks of life and share a spirit of entrepreneurship in the global public interest. I know I am not 30 years old, I'm on the wrong side of 30, but I guess as the founding curator I have that exemption. The Global Shapers community is an initiative which is run by the World Economic Forum. Through the community, Shapers are provided with opportunities to connect with a worldwide network of other Shapers, to network with other World Economic Forum communities, and to represent the voice of the youth at World Economic Forum events. Shapers are united by a common desire to channel the members' tremendous energy and enthusiasm into building a more peaceful and inclusive world. So now what exactly do the Shapers do? Global Shapers undertake activities that generate a positive impact by increasing each individual Shaper's ability to improve the state of their community and by providing opportunities for Shapers to have local and global impact. Organized into 350 hubs across the world, the community is energized by many interactions generated inside each hub, between hubs, and on a global level. The Shapers embody the community of the future, bringing together empowered youth in a community that is diverse, decentralized, and digitally hyper-connected. Each hub takes a project that positively impacts the local community. Our community continues to grow at an incredible rate, and this would not happen without the continued passion and dedication demonstrated by Global Shapers around the world. The impact of our projects is being felt beyond just the communities in which we work, and our reach has now become truly international. A clear example of this is opening of the Erbil hub in Iraq, which also happens to be the 350th hub in the world. So in a nutshell, if one can sum up what exactly are the Global Shapers, the Shapers actually think local and act global. I'd like to now play a short video.
Shapers community is already covering the globe.
Our age group is still a bit naive, but naive in a good way.
What we are doing here is not something which is new or innovative. What we are doing here is something very compulsory.
I think that there's something that's pretty unique about just the millennial mindset. We're incredibly collaborative and we're incredibly hopeful.
Naive in a way that we think that we can change it, and we can drastically change it.
We're idealists. I think that we all feel like we can create something incredible out of it.
Young people are a tremendous source of ideas, inspiration, and innovation. Tapping into this generation can help reconnect you with that idealism, which sometimes is hard to find on a day-to-day basis.
But at our age, we still think everything's possible and nothing's impossible, and collectively we can do something about it.
The landscape of the way that knowledge is transferred and the way that people are communicating has shifted radically in the last 3, 4, 5 years. And a lot of the power that was controlled by traditional media previously is now in the hands, honestly, of people in their 20s.
This is a generation that's already empowered. We just want to bring them together and help make them even more effective.
And so, whereas we didn't have a voice before, now our voice is becoming one of the loudest and So, Shapers, I see it as a vehicle through which that voice can be expressed through and out of the World Economic Forum.
Our generation has this opportunity to really be at the forefront of innovation and things.
The types of individuals that are involved in Shapers come from every industry that you can imagine. There's entrepreneurs that have created startups, and there's writers for TV shows.
There's somebody from the NYPD in the room. There's a doctor in the room. There's an academic in the room. There's a public relations expert in the room. There's a celebrity blogger in the room.
Being surrounded by those who are really motivates you to actually come up with some of your own ideas or solutions.
It's an amazing group of people, and I think when you mesh all of that together, the skill sets and just the energy of the group is unlike anything that I've really seen before.
You can't have the local impact without the global context. We imagine Shapers in New York who care about solving homelessness in their community, being connected to Shapers in Shanghai and Johannesburg, all interested in the same issues with the same passions, and really using the best insights from that global network to make the biggest possible difference in their own community.
I think that's what we feel as Global Shapers in that room is this isn't exactly something extraordinary. We're supposed to be doing this. This is what we're supposed to be doing.
Got a sense of what the Shapers are all about. So closer home here in Chandigarh, we have a very diverse and a wonderful group of Shapers. I'll just take one more minute introducing them. First up, we have Mr. Varun Kashyap, an avid reader and a sports enthusiast. Varun is set to launch his second venture called Let's Indoors. He is a Young India Fellow and is one of the 6 Indians selected for the German Chancellor Fellowship Program 2014. Varun is also the Shaper instrumental in getting Mr. Anshu Gupta here today. Absolutely. Next up, we have Mr. Jaideep Bansal. Jaideep is an IIT Bombay alum and working with PNG. He is better known for his cycling expeditions, marathons, and work on the education base in Leh with Sir Robert Swan. He is going to do the first ever journey from Delhi to Leh in an electric vehicle to promote clean energy. Jaideep was the shaper who actually strived tirelessly to make this event happen. He has actually been instrumental in making this happen. Up next, we have Mr. Kshitij Mehra. There. Yeah. Kshitij founded Yug Shala, which assists school students to choose their career based on their passion. Yug Shala is currently working in 5 states, and they have counseled more than 25,000 students in the last 4 years. Up next, Mr. Rahul Gupta. Rahul runs a real estate company and founded Teach a Child Foundation that assists academically weaker children from urban slums to develop knowledge and confidence and build skills to help them in their future. Up next, we have our first female shaper, Nehmat Kaur. Nehmat's passion for sustainable habits is rooted in safeguarding the environment and the Earth's natural resources. Her work in India focuses on research and analysis that span 4 key areas: energy efficiency, clean energy, climate policy, and environmental health. Up next, we have Mr. Maninder Bajwa. Maninder is focused on innovating the methods of delivering education through his venture, ISQLA. He is also the ambassador for United Nations World Summit Youth Award for India. Another lady, Amanpreet Walia. So, a voracious reader, an ardent traveler, and a supporter of the cause child education. Aman likes to explore things that come her way. She left her job at Citibank to take up sales and marketing of a young IT company, Inverted I. And last up, we have Mr. Simarpreet Singh. Simarpreet is passionate about education and meaningful entertainment. He mixes both and describes himself as an edutainer. He loves conceptualizing content shows and anchoring them. He's a public speaker, trainer, quiz master, filmmaker, and an avid traveler.